Right now, your bank account is being quietly drained by things you honestly forgot exist. I'm not guessing. I'm telling you, somewhere in your account, there are charges hitting every single month quietly and automatically for services you haven't touched in weeks. And the reason you haven't noticed is by design. We live in the golden age of the subscription model. It's great for companies, and it's genuinely terrible for your wealth. The entire business is built on friction. Signing up is effortless, right? But canceling requires navigating three confirmation screens, and on top of that, you have to actively decide to stop. So most people just let it ride. Let's say you signed up for a free trial during a slow week, right? Then you forget to cancel. 8 months later, you've paid $60 for something you've used twice. Think about your current stack, right? Streaming platforms, cloud storage, maybe a music app, or recurring charges on a PlayStation Network or Steam that you probably haven't booted up in months. And then you actively use maybe two of them. The rest are quietly pulling around $150 out of your account every single month. $150 a month doesn't feel like a life-changing number, but over 5 years, that is $9,000 gone on autopilot. That is $9,000 that didn't go into an emergency fund, didn't go towards a down payment, and it didn't get invested. It just got recycled directly into the quarterly earnings of companies you probably forgot you were even a customer for. But there's a way to get out of this. There's 3 steps. The first step, print last month's bank statement. Not scroll through on your phone, print it. There is something about seeing it on paper in a physical list that makes charges feel real in a way the app never does. Go through it line by line. Highlight every recurring charge you find. Don't judge it yet, just find them all, and I'm telling you, you will genuinely be surprised. Okay, step 2, cancel everything that isn't an immediate enthusiastic yes. If you paused, even for a second, cancel it. Don't keep it just in case. Don't think about whether you might use it someday. If it's not something you're actively wanting right now, today, this week, it goes. Be ruthless. This is one of the few times in personal finance where being a little extreme is actually the right call. You can always resubscribe to it later. The final step, and probably the most important, only resubscribe when you genuinely miss it, not when you remember it. Not when someone else mentions it in a conversation. When you go looking for it and it's not there, that moment of actual frustration is the signal that it's worth paying for. Everything else was just inertia dressed up as convenience. $150 a month doesn't feel like a wealth building decision, but over 10 years invested at 8%, it's worth over $27,000. You didn't even need a raise. You didn't need a side hustle. You just needed to cancel the gym membership you've been paying for since January. The small stuff adds up faster than any single large expense, and it's some of the easiest money you'll ever get back. It doesn't require discipline or sacrifice or even a lifestyle overhaul. It requires about 30 minutes and a printer. So if it's that simple, trim the leaks and then put that money somewhere it actually works for you. But let me know in the comments, how many subscriptions did you guys find when you actually went through your statement? I'll take a look at them and I'll let you guys know what I think. But I'll see you in the next one.